Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will actually be doing a tutorial slash review on the new Colourpop collection. This is the Bye Birdie Palette, and I got their falsies and I got the style Baddie. I didn't like the other ones, but I definitely did like this particular style. I thought they were gorgeous, so we're going to be testing that out. I got the blush called A Drop of a Hat, and their Jelly Shock Shadow in Hoot and Hollar. I got 3 lip products. I got the I think that's Marengie. I could be very wrong. Ultra Glossy Lip, the Grunge Matte Lippie Stick, and the Ultra Blotted Lip in Starling. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime in Blur and Illuminate, as well as the No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. Foundation, I'm going to go in with the Loreal Pro Glow Infallible, and this is in the shade 205. This is my favorite eyebrow brush. I use it every time I do my brows. This is the Colourpop E14. Really love this brush. And I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Gel Brow Pomade and Taken for Granted. The No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Light 16. So now we're going to go in with the Bye Birdie Palette. The shades look absolutely gorgeous. Don't mind. Much shadow in Hoot and Hollar. What I do is I generally just use my finger to place it. I mean my brush to place it, and then I'll spread it out with my finger. I really with gander. And I'm also gonna use my finger for that one. Go in with the Colourpop concealer again in the shade Light 16.
They got one more problem with you, girl. Hey. Baby, I got love for thee. So deep inside of me, I don't know what to say. Yeah. I want you. Tell that baby.
are the lashes. They're really pretty. I did have to cut them a little bit because they were just a little too long for my eye. I think they're really pretty. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So now I'm going to go in with this blush called Drop of a Hat. But this is really pretty. I don't generally wear shimmery blushes, but being honest, I didn't know this was shimmery when I got it. Go in with Flexitarian, not from this collection or anything, it's just one of my favorite highlighters from Colourpop. I also have another one from them called Spellbound, love that one too. Plumage. Now to do mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in black. I'm going to go in with Ariel. The only thing, I wet my brush because I wasn't getting anything when I tried to just go in with my brush dry. And I find that wetting the brush gives it better payoff. With the Curvii Lip Liner. Use Grunge a little bit on the outside, like kind of like the line area. Go in with Starling, which is an ultra blotted lip, and do that kind of like on the inner. They're very similar in color, so I'm gonna top it off with this ultra glossy lip, and this is in, I don't know if it's Marengie, I don't know what it's called exactly. It smells really good though. Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Besto. It's like this burgundy. I'm gonna use my Milani Make It Last setting spray. Like I said, my go-to whenever I'm able to get it.
Straighten, I just kind of run over it with the straightener. This is already straightened. I'm Puerto Rican, which I've stated before, so my hair looks for any reason to go back to its natural state. But I was thinking about changing my hair color to, I don't know, I was thinking like red again, because I always go like burgundy or red in the fall, and it winds up never lasting too long because, like I said, I get fed up with hair colors so fast, and then like you have to have a hair color that looks good with everything. Like you can see my gray hairs right here. I don't really give a shit. Like honestly, if my gray hairs are affecting you, oh well. And I've had them since I was 18. As I've gotten older though, do I get more? And do they grow out, or I don't even know if they said that they're growing out, or if the hair dye just washes off of my grays, I don't know. Like, I don't have the patience, because I definitely have the time, I just don't feel like, I could be doing other things instead of just dyeing my hair every week. And like, I'm a messy dyer person too, so like, if it gets on my freaking forehead, I don't give a shit either.
so that's it for today's video. Do I recommend this collection? Yes, the fuck I do. Do I think the shadows can be a little bit better? Like, I honestly found that Ariel and Ganser were really hard for me to pick up without wetting my brush, and like it wasn't pigmented, and even then you still kind of had to like fucking dig, just like dig. I didn't try these colors yet, but I'll swatch them right now. So Nevermore, Finch, I don't want to do Amuse Me because that's a fucking glitter, and only time I want to use glitter if it's going to go on my lid, because then I get super itchy and I break out in hives. So these are those 3 shades. I mean, and they're pretty nice, I mean, Finch could be a little better, but it's still worth it. I mean, how much is the palette? I got it on sale. I got it when they had that sale, so it was like 20% off this collection. Let me try Nevermore again. I mean, so it seems like, unless, I might just be a horrible swatcher, I don't know, like I had to build that up. That's 2 layers of the color. So, like I said, for me, Colourpop, even if you have to build a little bit or things like that, it's still worth it to me because their affordability. Do I think, yeah, you can get other things? Sure. But I actually really love this palette. I enjoy the color scheme of this palette. Like I said, I wish these 2 right here, I didn't have to wet my brush. I wish they were just like naturally pigmented on their own. The matte seem to be doing very, very well.
These Glossies, I really recommend you get. These are the style Baddie. Get them. I picked up 2 packages, and I'm probably going to order like 6 more packages so that I have more and more and more. These are gorgeous. I really love them.
Now, the blush, and it might have stated on the website, because I know they're actually pretty informative on their website, and they're like describing the colors or the finish. I didn't realize it was like shimmery, so it kind of looks like I got like double highlight, but I do think the color is really pretty. It blends out nicely. I do recommend this. The only thing is, like I said, I don't know if it was how everybody was getting them, or if it was just me. You can like literally see I had to pat that down. That's actually not what it looks like. Yeah, usually it has that design in it. You can actually still see on the outer edge. I still didn't fully smash it down, and I really don't want to keep that upside down for too long because I feel like this still will fall out.
Really get this collection.
Like, really get the lashes if you like really pretty lashes and they're Baddie. The palette, I honestly do think good for fall. Nice color payoff. Few things I said that they had to work on there. Really like the blush, even though it's shimmery, so it's not really much so my style. I really do like the color on me, so I think I will continue to wear it even with the shimmer, because once I blended it out, it's still not too shimmery. Like, that highlight is my Flexitarian. Now, the lip products. I don't understand what a blotted lip is. Like I said, they probably have the description on the website. I just don't give a fuck to read, if that makes sense. But I don't dislike it at all. I think the color is really nice because I have on Fudge, the lippy stick, Starling, the ultra blotted lip, and then I don't know if it's Marengie or Meringue, ultra glossy lip. So I love their gloss. It honestly stays on me for a while, like eating, drinking. The ultra blotted lip I've used. I have a few of their other ones, but this one seems to look really, really nice, and I think it complements my tone. I think it complements the makeup. I think it pairs very well, and they have other sets too that came with the collection. This is just the one that I picked up because I prefer like more nude. The jelly shadow. And my complaint with this was that it was actually hard for me to spread with a brush. It was even hard to stay on the brush, and I don't always want to have to use my finger to spread everything out, and I know that sounds silly, but I don't. Like, sometimes I just want to use a brush. So do I recommend this? Yes, it's actually really pretty. It's like this pinkish, golden, shimmery. It's really, really pretty. But I have had this issue with a lot of their jelly shadows. The only one I never had the issue with is Origami. The only freaking one I've never had the issue with, like picking up with a brush or anything, is Origami. The others, and I own like a crap ton of them. The others, yeah, they're a pain in my ass. But I still love them. I still think the color payoff's great at the end of the day.
Well, that's a wrap on today's video. If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to click that like and subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell so you know whenever I post a video. And also follow me on my social media. They will be linked in the description, as well as all the products used today. I hope you have a wonderful day or night, whatever you're doing today.